Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Back with the video, and this video is of course going to be an application of software-defined radio. What you're looking at right now, I'm using my Dragon OS Focal, and I have connected my Adlam PlutoSDR. The reason I'm not going through this process because sometimes my PlutoSDR having a connection problem. So right now it's working perfectly fine. So when you have Dragon OS installed, make sure you have your Adlam PlutoSDR connected, and there's a tool called SDR++. Just simply type in, open up this tool, and under devices, under sources, let me just pause this. You can go ahead and select different sources that you have available, starting from AirSpy all the way up to HackRF, and then Lime SDR, and then PlutoSDR. Just select your device. Set up your sample rate to be 20 megahertz because it does support 20 megahertz of sample. Make sure your device is connected. The cool thing about Dragon OS Focal is all you need to do is just simply plug in the device. It automatically picks up the driver and things like that. So you don't have to worry about anything. This is probably the quickest way you can build a multi-frequency channel scanner using any type of a hardware platform, either HackRF, BladeRF, Lime SDR, or Adlam PlutoSDR. So this demo is actually based on Adlam PlutoSDR. The bad thing about Adlam PlutoSDR, the one that I'm using, is actually it has a frequency limitation. The starting frequency is from 325 megahertz all the way up to 3.8 gigahertz. But it's a full duplex system. That's the plus point. You can simultaneously transmit and receive. So right now, I have my gain, which is set manually. So I can set the gain manually using my slider right here. And the cool thing about this is building a multi-frequency channel scanner is that you will be able to scan the frequency instantly. So if you were to go down here, I have already selected this, and I'll show you one of this application. So right now, there's something called a tab called Frequency Manager. You can simply go in and hit add. And then you can add this particular frequency. For example, this frequency around 600 megahertz band. This frequency is dedicated for like GSM for 700 megahertz band for 4G LTE. So you can just simply call it LTE 700 megahertz band, and then you can hit apply. So in this way, you can start adding up all the frequency. You can start tuning in on to different frequencies and start tuning in. And then once you see the spike, you can name this spike to a particular frequency band based on the chart. So this is how you're going to scan your frequency using PlutoSDR. Once you have your frequency identified, just once you have these blue bookmarks set, just simply go in and click on this blue bookmark and then hit apply. It will take you to that particular frequency band. So right now, this is 2100 megahertz band, which is being allocated for 3G and 4G purposes in South Asia. Then you can go to click on another bookmark, which I just made. I'll show you how you can make this, which is GSM 900. Simply go in and it will take you to GSM 900, and then you can move this frequency around a little bit. This is all considered to be GSM 900 band, starting from 925, which is a downlink band, and all the way up to 950, something like that. So this is all considered to be GSM 900. So this is downlink. We're all only looking at downlink frequencies at about 954 megahertz. Then you can also look at GSM 850 band, which is also available in South Asia. Just simply click, choose this frequency and hit apply. So this is basically a sort of a way you can. Here we go. So this is another at 870 megahertz. You also have a downlink frequency of GSM 850. Of course, this one we just looked at it, LTE, simply apply 700 megahertz band, which is also available. So you can just name it. So this is the way you can actually build a channel scanner based on different frequency allocation. Then we have something at 370 megahertz. Let me hit apply. This is actually a military air band that is also available. You can just scan different frequencies. You can play around with gain, and you will see different frequencies. At GSM 1800 band, this is also available. Hit apply, and this is also GSM 1800 megahertz band. So using a GUI interface, you can easily go into the frequency that you wanted to look at. First of all, of course, you need to scan your frequency and make it like a bookmark. And let's say you want to look at Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, hit apply, and this is GSM. You're looking at Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz band starting from 2.45 all the way up to 2.47. And this is how you can actually quickly make your multi-frequency channel scanner using any type of hardware platform that we have available, or you can also use your PlutoSDR, HackRF, BladeRF. So this was a quick way of looking at it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.